Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 13 plate wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied mobility conversion. Suitable for both taxi drivers and private mobility users. This car's covered just 24,000 miles from new. As you'll see from this short video, the car is in grade A condition, as is with all of our wheelchair access vehicles. Lovely grey and charcoal along with the blue contrasting upholstery. It's a 5-speed manual with an array of extras. There's the electric window switches there and there, hazard warning lights, and the self-locking system from the inside. There's your AC button and your fan speed along with the direction and the heater motor there. Radio CD, airbag system, Isofix seats. Also got armrests that move out the way, so on both seats on the front. So it's a five-seat vehicle, or up to 3 plus the wheelchair. So with the back seats easily folded down, just press that button. We call them tip and fold seats, so they tip down into the flat position there and then just lift out of the way to accommodate the wheelchair space. So that's tipping and folding out of the way. They can be removed if you need a little bit of extra room in there. So if you have a mobility scooter, for instance, and you need a little bit of room, but you don't need the extra seats, you can just take that out, take the brackets out, store them, and just give them back with the car when you come to sell it. This vehicle we sold initially to our customers, and we bought it back under our buyback promise. So the customer gave us a call, very well looked after, as you'll see. And we've bought the vehicle back off of them. The yellow webbing there is the electric winch. We've got a remote here, and it's just very simple. Switch on the side, make sure that's on, and you've got an out and an in, and that's very simple and easy to use. You've got the switch there for the electric belts that are at the front there. Now on this particular year, for that to have the LED light come on, you do have to have the ignition key in the ignition to operate it. On the newer models, it's a permanent live. Twin sliding doors, rear parking sensors. This one's got the fold flat ramp, so it's in its deployed position at the moment. You have to bear with me because I've only got one hand to be able to do it, so it just pops up like that, clicks into place, and then using that hole there, try and demonstrate if I can. Sprung loaded, probably haven't been able to see that very well, so apologies for that, but then it goes into the fold flat position there. Twin sliding doors. If you're looking to come and visit us, we're based in Wainscott in Kent, Cooning Road service station. The postcode's ME2 4RL. So if you're looking to part exchange a vehicle, we can take that in part exchange, no problem. Doesn't have to be wheelchair access, and if it's not wheelchair access, well, you can guarantee we'll always try and get the best amount of money for you, as we won't retail the car, so we'll do the very best we can by you. If you're looking for finance, you can apply for finance online on the website. We use Motonovo as our prime lender, but there are other lenders that we can use in the unfortunate if you get rejected. Don't worry about that. The Motonovo, you can apply online and we can have an answer back within a very sort of few minutes, sometimes instantly. So there we have seat, all in great condition. Bearing in mind the car's 2013, so 6 years old now. You'd never look at it and think it was that old. If you want to look at this vehicle or any of our other vehicles on our website, you can do so. www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, and taxi drivers can visit www.premiertaxisales.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.